Hello everyone, welcome to Progress Consulting Service Private Limited. Thank you for joining us today. Today we will go through our module Construction Contracting Milestone Progress Billing. What is the main goal for this in real life? We can say that there are many construction companies and project contracting construction companies which work on the basis of milestone billing process. And when customer invoices are generated based on how much project is completed and according to the its stages. When manually it's done, it's very difficult for project teams to maintain this and tracking milestone based and invoice generated. Main purpose of our module is to make this process fully easy. Let's start how it's done. We here you can see this is a job code sheet. Here we already created some examples of it. Uh, yes, so this is the formula of the job code sheet. We can see based on this project we have created the materials, its labor and overhead. We have to say we can set project and its all the things. When it's in confirm state, there is a create invoice button. When clicking to generate its invoice for its lines for material, labor and overhead. Here we can see that customer is already been set and its date. And here are some booleans for what for which lines we want our invoices. There is a material lines and labor lines and overhead lines. Here comes our main milestone projects. By clicking on this boolean, we can see the project milestone file. From here we can select the milestone for which we want to be reached or completed with the process of invoicing. Here we can see that it's selected, and as soon as we create invoice for this material, labor and overhead, here we can see that invoice is generated. Here's the invoice for all the material, labor and overhead. In this process, the milestone which we have selected is already been reached. We can check in our cell order. This was the cell which we have selected. Here we can see the milestones. Yes, we can see that the selected milestones are being reached, means completed here. And accordingly to it, in the order line also, completed its delivery and invoice both are updated according to it for all the milestones that we have selected. Yes, this was the process of our module. You can contact us for any other queries. Thank you.